Hello everyone, so today I will be showing you how I make 1-minute microwave chocolate chip cookies. Over here in my bowl I have a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of butter, room temperature, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of milk, whole milk, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So what you want to do now is make sure in here you want to take your butter, your sugar, and you want to mix everything together. Put in your vanilla extract, and I'm going to show you what's next. So after you combine your butter and your sugar and your vanilla extract together, we're going to go ahead and put your flour in, your salt, and your milk. And then I'll show you what's next. Okay, so I have mixed everything together well, and it's nice and smooth. I'm going to go ahead and add in my chocolate chip in here. And just give it a quick mix, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in my plate here. That goes in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, so after I mix everything together, I went ahead and put it in a small bowl, and I'm going to put this in the microwave for 20 seconds and then 30 seconds each time, and I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so I cooked my chocolate chip cookie for about 1 minute and 10 seconds. It's still warm. As you can see, it's risen well. It's a small cookie. Go ahead and cut it in two. Ooh, the chocolate is falling off. As you can see, it's cooked well. If you like this video, click a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.